I've been digging through tons of information on forums, workshops, and owner reviews to bring you what's really going on with the Toyota Fortuner between 2015 and 2023. I'm not going to give you rumors or exaggerations, just the recurring problems and real feedback from people who know the vehicle well. Let's get straight to the 5 most common issues, what causes them, and what can be done. One of the most reported problems is high oil consumption in some engines, especially in the versions with the 2.8-liter diesel engine. Many owners on forums like Toyota Nation and Reddit mention that even though the engine performs well, they have to top off the oil more often than expected, sometimes without any visible leaks. This is usually related to worn piston rings or valve seal issues. Some mechanics say, these modern engines with high-pressure systems require strict maintenance to prevent excessive oil consumption. Toyota has issued technical bulletins recommending regular engine checks and, in severe cases, the replacement of internal components. Generally, the most common solution is to keep the oil level monitored and use lubricants recommended by the manufacturer. Another recurring issue is noise or vibration coming from the rear suspension, especially in models from 2016 to 2018. In several forums, owners report hearing knocking or clicking sounds when driving over bumps or rough terrain that don't easily go away. This usually comes from the bushings or shock absorbers, which, according to workshops, can wear out sooner than expected due to heavy use on rough roads or lack of maintenance. A seasoned mechanic told me the rubber bushings dry out and crack, causing those annoying noises, and it's something Toyota should improve in their original parts. The typical fix is replacing these components, and in some cases, using reinforced parts for better durability. Another concern for many users is electrical system faults, particularly with the dashboard and control sensors. On various forums, owners mention warning lights suddenly turning on without a clear reason or intermittent display glitches on the dashboard. This could be related to connection issues or the electronic control unit, which can be sensitive to moisture or vibrations. Toyota has released some bulletins recommending checking connections and, if needed, updating the vehicle's software to prevent these errors. Some drivers say, taking the car to a dealer for an electronic check can fix it, though sometimes it's a recurring issue that comes back over time. A fourth, less common issue is premature wear of the front brakes, especially on used models with high mileage. Several owners note on forums that discs and pads need replacement much sooner than expected. Some mechanics explain that the vehicle's weight and type of use, like heavy braking on slopes or rough roads, can speed up this wear. A technician mentioned, using OEM quality pads helps a lot, but in many cases, owners who don't keep the system clean or inspected end up with noises and reduced braking performance. The recommendation is always to do regular inspections and replace parts before safety is compromised. Finally, there's a problem that appeared in certain years and that Toyota addressed: fuel leaks in the diesel injection system, found in some vehicles manufactured up to 2017. This was reported in technical forums and got a direct response from the manufacturer, who issued a recall to fix the defect by replacing certain seals and components in the injection system. An injection expert said, these leaks, though rare, are critical and must be addressed quickly to avoid serious risks. Fortunately, Toyota acted promptly, and authorized workshops offer free repairs for affected vehicles.